Hey guys, welcome to another daily vlog. I know it's been long, बहुत time हो गया and I look like a homeless guy but it's okay and this is the view today. Weather is nice, cloudy हो रखा है but it's alright. I'm अभी ready होने वाला हूँ to go to the gym and आज workout करना है cause today I don't have anything to do. And workout करके we will call it a day. Finally ready for the gym. Adidas Anthony Edwards and थोड़ी सी accessories. That's it. I think it is not that cold outside, but just for a precaution मैं hoodie डाल लूँगा just to be safe, you know. And I know मेरे बाल वगैरह बहुत बढ़ गए हैं, but the thing is कि अभी नवरात्रे चल रहे हैं, so I cannot cut it. I cannot get a haircut yet. So that's it. See you guys at the gym. One last thing before going to the gym. Daily rituals. I need a coffee because coffee is coffee. Okay, so the coffee is here. This is the best coffee by the way guys. India में जो मिलती है pouch वाली, the best. I don't like to do portioning and वो spoon से measure करके डालो. I cannot do that. This is the best way to make coffee. जब तक coffee ready हो रही है, I figured I could make my protein shake. So what I do is I take 1 scoop dry, and when I'm done with my session, I just add water and take it. So 1 scoop of whey protein. Boom. This is by far actually the best one. This one's called strawberry. It's from GNC. I like it. It's nice. And while we did that, coffee is ready. ये रही हमारी coffee. भाई ये coffee का texture, I just love it. Look at it. Look at this texture of the coffee. It's so good. I like it. And now we are moving towards the gym, leaving the building. My building is actually like very nice, but the only thing is कि यहाँ पे 2 elevator है. Like one is a passenger elevator and the second one is a like cargo वाला, मतलब जिसमें सामान लोड वगैरह करते हैं, right? So at most of the time one of them is broken. And because this construction of this building is old, तो maintenance इतनी बढ़िया है नहीं, so they take like 4 or 5 days to repair it, and जब तक वो सही होता है तो दूसरा ख़राब हो जाता है. So that's the thing about it. And अब हम जा रहे हैं जिम की ओर. By the way, weather wasn't that bad, so मैंने हुडी नहीं डाली. It's fine. It's not that cold. And जिम करके वैसे ही ठंड लगती है. By the way, weather update. Super nice dude, it's super nice, very nice. Vlog करने के चक्कर में headphones भूल गया मैं. Okay, let me give you guys a quick tour. मेरे घर के आसपास की locality का. I live right in downtown, so everything is like very nearby. Literally 5 minutes के walking distance पे I have everything. This is post office कह लो इसको. Actually this is a pickup point, so यहाँ से like जो भी मेरे parcels आते हैं और India से delivery, so I receive it here, Penguin pickup. And then it's like super convenient. You see there's a Loblaws there, so it's a fast food chain. However, it is expensive, but घर के काफ़ी पास है, so if you want to pick up something real quick तो यहाँ आ जाओ. And then you have Scotia Bank. So this is my bank. हालांकि मैं यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक बार आया था when I came to Canada just to issue my credit card. Rest everything you can do online. And this is by far the most popular like street that I walk on. This is College Street. बहुत लोग होते हैं वहाँ यहाँ पे. Honestly, I'll show you. बहुत लोग होते हैं and most of them are like homeless. See, this is the Toronto Metropolitan University, which was formerly named as Ryerson University, and this is the Mattamy Athletics Center if I'm not wrong. वही नाम है आई गेस इसका. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे हॉकी गेम्स होते हैं एंड शाम को आओगे अगर तो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम यू सी हॉकी पीपल कैरिंग देयर ह्यूज किट्स एंड स्टफ. बहुत यहाँ का फुटफॉल बहुत ज़्यादा है. इट्स वेरी नाइस. आई टोल्ड यू गाइस, Matme Athletic Center, and then yeah. Now that we are here, let me show you the street car. This is the street car. ये लिटरली लाइक पूरे डाउनटाउन के आसपास चक्कर काटती रहती है काफ़ी सारी कार्स एंड यू कैन हॉप ऑन हॉप ऑफ. बट द थिंग अबाउट TTC इज़ लाइक TTC इज़ बेसिकली टोरंटो का DTC, राइट? सो दिस इज़ वेरी एक्सपेंसिव unless you get a monthly pass, which I usually do. It's expensive. And this is another drug mart, which is Shoppers. You can shop for medicines and groceries or whatever. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. We have good colognes and perfumes and everything, so that's nice. And my gym is this way, and literally right there is like the Dundas Square or whatever they renamed it to. This is the Massey Hall or Massey Hall, whatever you call it. And यहाँ पे कुछ events होते हैं, mostly about music and media and stuff. I have never gone inside, but it's a nice painting. And right there is my gym, like right there somewhere. So now we're inside the gym, Planet Fitness, 24/7. Very nice location, right in the center of downtown. But I think it's not used up to its potential because यहाँ पे like free weight bench presses भी नहीं है. They're like all Smith machines and rigid. It's a nice gym. I'll give you a tour. Started the day with a quick warm up, and today's back and biceps, right? So I started with the lat pull downs, which is right beside me, and this is the view from my gym. It's super good. It's very pretty. Usually you'll see people skateboarding over there, like towards the evening or night, and yeah, it's a beautiful place. Gym session is done and it's raining. I didn't prepare for this, but thankfully घर ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है, so I'll be there in like 5 minutes. Entering the house. बाल इतने messy हो गए हैं मेरे. Like I like messy hair, but like this is too much. I look so tired, dude. That's because I am. This looks like a hotel, honestly. Every apartment looks like a hotel. Entering the apartment. Welcome to the house. First things first, चाबी अपनी जगह पे रख दो भाई, बिकॉज एक बार मेरी चाबी गुम गई थी एंड इट वॉज अ डिज़ास्टर. दिस इज़ द मोमेंट ऑफ ट्रूथ गाइस. पंप चेक. आई थिंक इट्स pretty okay. It's fine because it was a quick session, and yeah, I think it's okay. तो मैंने ये कंक्लूड किया है कि द रीज़न आई लुक होमलेस इज नॉट रियली माई हेयर, बट इट्स लाइक दिस अनकट बियर्ड. सो आज ये बियर्ड ट्रिम कर लेते हैं बिकॉज टुमारो इज़ वर्क डे एंड यू हैव टू लुक गुड. सो टुडे इज़ द बियर्ड ट्रिमिंग डे. I think it looks much better now, right? I'll just take a quick bath and it'll be all good. Looking fine. I wanted to show you guys something. Like ये देखो, How is it? I did not draw this. वो बना हुआ आया था. I'm just painting in it, just for fun, pastime. That's it. And now that we are done with everything, it's time for some food. अपना देसी चावल with some dal. So that's today's cuisine, and I'll see you guys at the food table. Ready for the food. This is where the food is served today. This is dal chawal, this is apple juice, this is me, and it's the view for our lunch today. Okay guys, so I'm building this website for myself. It's kind of like a portfolio plus business website, but the thing is they took it down because of some like credit card issue, and now they're giving me a huge hassle to like make it live. I've been like going back and forth with them for like almost more than a week now, and it's just a mess. Plus they have already charged me for it, and they have not like refunded anything, so it's a little crazy. And I also have a couple of assignments to do today, so I guess that's pretty much it for this vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, and let me know if you guys want like more of this kind of content or anything that you want to know about Canada or anything like that. Just let me know and I'll see if I can do that for you guys.